Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May the peace and blessings of Allah be upon you all. I'm Abdullah Oduro and welcome. Where does a person implement their fast? Anywhere. You can fast anywhere. There's no particular place where someone should fast. But as we mentioned, the traveler does not have to fast. And we characterize traveling as a person that leaves their general habitat and civilization, which is characterized by the absence of buildings and plazas and things of that nature when you start to see wilderness from city to city. Also, to make the caveat, even if you're traveling by plane, it is still allowed for you to break your fast, even though you'll find some people that say if you're not facing a stressful situation, then you don't have to break your fast. Now, mind you, you have the choice of keeping your fast if you travel. It is up to you. But there is the concession for you to break your fast if you want to. Remember, if you break your fast, you have to make it up. But some scholars mention if you're not facing a stressful situation, and if it's not that stressful upon you, you can keep your fast to where you don't have to make it up in the future. And that is better for someone to do it in those prescribed days. But in conclusion, there is no particular place where one should break their fast. Wanting to make a side point here that breaking the fast in the masjid is a beloved action. But those of you that may have non-Muslim family members, try your level best to inform them of your fasting of Ramadan. You don't want to be in the house where your mom is making that home cooked meal that you love and that you're so used to, or you don't want to be in an environment with your friends that may not understand your fasting and they're eating one of your favorite foods. You don't want to be in an environment that's going to tempt you to do something that may violate those elements of fasting. You don't want to be around that spouse. You may have a non-Muslim spouse that may not hear the message of Islam yet and has not become Muslim, so they don't abide by those rules of Islam. You don't want to be in their presence if it's going to tempt you to do something that you may regret. So we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make you of those individuals that when you're fasting this month of Ramadan, to be disciplined enough to be in an environment that assists you in fasting for His pleasure. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you.